Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy drawings from one futures contract to another in TradingView. If you've ever spent loads of time marking up a chart, only to realize you need to transfer those lines, zones, or annotations over to a new contract, then this tutorial is really going to save you some time and effort. By the end of this video, you'll know how to reliably move your chart work from one contract to another so you don't have to start from scratch ever again. Let's get right into it. Alright, assuming you've already made your drawings on your first futures contract chart, maybe it's some support and resistance lines, trend channels, or even custom notes, the next thing you need to do is open up your object tree panel. If you're not familiar, the object tree is like your toolbox for chart elements. It organizes everything you've drawn and marked up, so nothing gets lost in the layers. To find it, just look for that icon on the far right edge of your TradingView window. Clicking on it will pop open a list of everything you've added to the chart, which is super handy for this next part. Now take a moment to review the object tree and select the drawings you want to copy. You can choose a few or just hit Select All if you want to transfer everything you've created. To select multiple items, you can hold down your Shift or Control key, depending on if you're on Windows or Mac, and simply click through the list. Once you've highlighted all the drawings you need, right-click on them. Here you'll see the option to copy. Go ahead and click that. Be careful not to rush this part. Make sure you haven't missed any important lines or notes you want to bring over, especially if you've done a lot of detailed markup. There's nothing worse than realizing you left out a key level right after you switch contracts. With your drawings now copied to your clipboard, it's time to switch over to your new futures contract chart. TradingView makes this super straightforward. Head up to the symbol search bar at the top left of your screen. Type in the name or ticker of the contract you want to move your drawings to, whether that's the next month's expiry or a different symbol entirely. Once you find the correct contract, click on it, and your chart will update to show the fresh price action for that contract. Give your chart a moment to load, especially if you have plenty of indicators running. Sometimes TradingView takes a second, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Now that you're on the chart for the new contract, here comes the satisfying part. Simply right-click anywhere on the chart space and you'll see a menu pop up. Among the options, you'll find Paste. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, you'll see all your copied drawings appear, positioned exactly as they were before. It might look a little bit different at first. Maybe you'll notice minor shifts if the contract prices are a bit off, but all your technical analysis remains intact. This feature is a genuine time saver, especially if you analyze several rolling contracts and want to keep your workflow consistent. You don't have to redraw every line with each contract rollover, which, let's face it, can really slow down your trading routine. And that's pretty much all there is to it. In just a few quick steps, you've taken all your hard work on one futures contract and brought it over to another, ready to keep tracking price action and making confident decisions. If you had lots of drawings, take a moment to review them and adjust as needed for any price differences, but for the most part, your technical framework is right where you left it. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about TradingView features or run into any issues, just drop me a comment below. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe if you want more detailed guides just like this. Catch you guys in the next video.